It's been a bit of a rough start to the first trading session of 2019. This due mostly in part to stocks continuing to trade in the red after China's manufacturing figures fell for the first time in 19 months. In addition, we also had Eurozone PMI figures falling to its lowest level since February 2016. All signs of a rough start to 2019 in trade. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, it's still the same from the morning. We begin with the euro-dollar pair. That's still under pressure. The British pound-US dollar pair under pressure as well, while the dollar-yen sees its key resistance at 109.50. Now, the Australian dollar-US dollar pair, that's in focus and continues to see the downside prevail. This as the pair remains on the downside. It remains capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 0.7015 are favored with targets at 0.6980 and 0.6960 in extension. The Bitcoin dollar, meanwhile, as long as 36.96 is the support, look for 40.63 with Trading Central's pivot point at 36.96. And gold sees the bias remain bullish and is in focus. Gold pulling back on its rising 50-period moving average ahead of a rebound. Long positions above 12.81 are favored with targets at 12.8875 and 12.95. Meanwhile, silver, that continues to see a bullish bias above 15.33 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange, the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, on this Wednesday afternoon, I'm James Sweeney.